is Masumi. I'm a master calligrapher and contemporary artist from Nara, Japan. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Japanese ink paper. I'll also teach you about the value of ink. Notan. Paper is very important element when you are working with sumi ink. The paper you use should be a little thick and dry. Paper that has been kept dry for many years is the easiest to write on. This is because the paper absorbs ink smoothly, making the lines look beautiful. If you are just starting out, you most likely won't be able to get good quality washi paper in the United States. These papers are made of gampi, kozo, and mitsumata plants. However, you can start with Japanese pulp paper, which you can buy on Amazon for about $10. I think this paper is great for learning. Let's begin. These papers are made of kozo mitsumata gampi Japanese washi paper. This one includes bamboo. This one from Amazon, calligraphy practice paper, Japanese practice paper. I'll use this one today. Value is one of the elements of art that dictates how light or dark a color appears. There is a difference in value when it comes thick ink and thin ink. I'll show you at first thick ink. Japanese Chinese character will, also ambition, it means we call kokorozashi. That's a thick ink. And also this one is a little water in that one. More little. Thin ink also a little. Then in Japanese calligraphy, thick ink symbolizes luck and happiness. That I think impressed ambition. Thin ink represents sadness. We will use kind of the color funeral. So then this means will. Also same figure, ambition also, and will meaning her. We call kokorozashi. Also shi, sound shi. Okay. Also, I'll show you ink value. I will draw small tree. In calligraphy, each line is only drawn once. So when we draw our lines, we never trace over the same line. But in art, it is okay to draw over the line. So then we can more freedom. Small tray I draw.
ink, so dark ink is a shade. Shade, shade, dark ink, shade. Shade, thick ink, shade. And I draw a branch. Imagine. And little ink I use kind of that. And again a little.
Paint to come to ink art work? I recommend not just looking at it on the same day, but turning it over and looking at a few days or months later. Sometimes when you come back to a piece after letting it sit for a while, you might notice something new about it. And sometimes, once the pigment has completely dried, it can have a completely different look. This may be a joy that only people who work in ink art can understand. Thank you for watching this video. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to draw the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Goodbye.